I love talking about stress because it's something that we all experience, and one of my keynotes is about rewiring our relationship with stress and understanding the science behind not just surviving, but thriving, because stress is part of life. So stress comes up with all the clients that I work with, whether it's a new professional, a senior leader, a career transitioner. When I had gone back to grad school, I was studying clinical psychology with an emphasis in spirituality, mind, body, and I was like, let's look at our relationship with stress. There's 4 components to creating a comprehensive stress management practice. So you have source management, which is identifying where's the source coming from that's causing the stress. Prevention, how can you prevent that in the future? Thought management, how are you shifting that perception? And then regulation, tools like breath work, mindfulness, meditation, somatic work to help re-regulate the body. When I'm working with people, it's about getting them to feel more agency in their life and that stress isn't their enemy. If any of this resonates with you or you're curious to learn more, I would love to have a connection call with you.